guys, I just came home. Today is my first day of the staycation. Today is September 29th and it's 1:15, and I just went to my PO box because I received my passport, and I did some grocery shopping. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna do a vlog style for this 10 days staycation. I'm just gonna do sort of like update on this video, like what I did and everything. Let me just show you guys what I got. So I went to Whole Foods and I got, like, I don't do grocery shopping anymore because I just get everything from Whole Foods. Sorry, I'm from Amazon Fresh. So, but like bananas and berries and certain vegetables that could get mushed, I just go to Whole Foods, which is like a couple of blocks away from my house, and I get them that. So the first thing first, I got a croissant and a sort of like a, I don't know, it's like a cinnamon sort of a thing. So I got that. I saw this Thai taste green curry paste and the red curry paste. I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of the blackberries. The blackberries. These were like 2 for $6, which was a great deal. And we love our berries. And bananas. Actually, I went to get these. I only went for bananas, but when I saw all of these stuff, I had to get it. And last but not least, I got, this is the best bread you can ever try from Whole Foods, because this is called the sourdough bread, and it's so crispy. It stays fresh for a couple of days and it tastes so good, and it tastes just like the Sri Lankan bread. And yeah, so the cost for for the Whole Foods portion of it is $20. And then for my lunch / breakfast, I got the poke bowl. This is basically raw fish, dressing on it, veggies, and I got half rice, half salad. So gonna enjoy that. So it is still the second day of my staycation. We had lunch we had breakfast and lunch, and he's home today. Sajid is home today, so just relaxing today. We thought of going out, but then I was like, you know what, the train schedules are really like every hour, and I it's too much of a hassle to go to the city during the weekend. So we were like, you know what, since I'm off tomorrow and he's off as well, let's go tomorrow. So yeah, so just colored my hair black because I do have gray hair. I do color it like whenever I feel it. I don't really care even if it shows, but I like the intense black look on my hair, so I did that. And yeah, so hopefully I am it's still, let me see the time, it's still 4:08 p.m. In another 2 hours we're gonna have some tea with some dates and tahini. Yeah, all right, so I'll catch you guys up soon. I also wanted to mention that my favorite scent to wear when I'm at home is this Pacifica. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's called Pacifica French Lilac perfume. It's a rollerball. It smells amazing. If you guys ever go to any drug, I don't know whether they have it in drugstores, but I picked it up from Whole Foods. It's so good. It smells really beautiful, and even my husband, he just loves the scent on me. Yeah, just want to like jump on here and mention that. Okay, so we just came back from Whole Foods. I'm just gonna do a little haul of, like, show you guys what I got. First thing, I got this Golden Milk Super Blend and the matcha powder. These were a bit expensive, but I want to try them out. But next time I'm definitely gonna get from Amazon, which is much more cheaper. Then I got a Dijon mustard. And then I also got this lava pineapple plant-based yogurt. I've never tried it before. This is the Sicilian wild fennel tomato pesto. I've never tried this before. Again, I've got a lot of stuff that I've never tried before, so. I got an onion, ginger, I got yams. This is for breakfast. I got medjool dates. I want to make energy balls. And then cranberries, because he's going to make a salad. Then he went and got these kind nuts and spices bars. We love these. They're really, really good and delicious. The main reason why we went to Whole Foods was to get the nutritional yeast seasoning. So I got this. Planning on to make the pink sauce using this one. Yep. Oh, and then I got a new plant. Pretty sure it's gonna match my whole house decor. Everything looks so pretty. Yep, so that's all I got. I ordered this from Amazon. This is gonna be my weekly read. Good morning. As you guys can see, it's freaking glowing. our way home. So we just got home, and I just took off my makeup, which is the best feeling ever. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm really dead on tired.